Hello, welcome to our channel Petals2Potatoes. My name is Pranali and there's Praneet behind the camera. First of all, thank you for the response that you have given for our previous video of vegetable garden tour. In that video, you must have seen that I've planted corn in my vegetable garden, and if you can see it now, it's almost dried, and that's the reason I want to clean this bed. So this is about corn plant. Once it produces corn and once it is harvested, it starts drying and it doesn't produce corn again. So that's the reason I'm going to clean it up. So first I'm going to take out all the corn, whatever is left on the plant. So I've taken out all the corns. Now I'm going to start cutting each plant one by one using this pruner. I'm going to use these corn stems in fall decoration. This is going to be my first experiment, so let's see how it goes. It's getting too dark, we started losing light, so I think we'll continue tomorrow. Hello again. Clearly we underestimated the task of corn cleanup, and it's not the next day, it's a day after that. But it's okay, it happens. If I keep thinking, do I have enough time to complete any task, I'm never going to get that time. And if I keep thinking about it, it's not possible to set up a garden like that. There have been days where we finished a lot of things just before sunset, or there were days when Praneet dug the hole and I planted trees just next day. So that's the only reason we could set up the garden. Anyway, I got slightly distracted there. Let's come back to the topic of corn. Now that I have harvested all the corn ears and chopped the top part, I'm going to take out this base from the soil. But it's very tight, so I have wet the soil. Let's see if it comes out. Alright, it's done. Corn was growing in this soil for 3 to 4 months. That means it would have absorbed all the nutrients from the soil. So I'm going to add some homemade compost on that, so that soil gets the nutrients back, and whenever I plant something next, the next plant is going to get whatever nutrients it needs. Alright, the bed is ready for next plants. Apart from showing our garden, we also want to share its maintenance stories with you. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have liked the video, do subscribe to Petals2Potatoes channel. Happy gardening. Bye.